Welcome guys! One of the hottest niche on Amazon KDP is crossword puzzles. These types of books are selling thousands per month on Amazon. In this video, I will teach you how to create one of these books in less than a week. If you are new to my channel, my goal is to teach you how to make money from Amazon KDP and other source of print on demand. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Also, don't forget to smash the like button to help this video reach to more people. Let's first review the crossword book on Amazon. Search for crossword keyword on Amazon. Like always, I'm looking for the lowest bestseller rank on the first page. This book price is $12.95 with 260 reviews. Also, its bestseller rank on Amazon is 2576. Now let's open Helium plugin to see how many books this author sold in last 30 days. As you can see here, this author sold 6,791 books in the last 30 days. For calculating the profit, I'm using the Amazon royalty calculator. You can find the link to this spreadsheet down in the description. Enter the page number and book price here. This book profit for each sale is $3.59. Now, we just need to multiply each book profit by the number of sales to calculate the estimated total profit of this book in the last 30 days. As you can see, this book profit in the last month was more than $24,000. For creating a crossword puzzle, we need two things. First, a collection of clue and answers and a crossword maker. There are a lot of resources on the internet that you can use as a clue and answer for your crosswords. For example, dictionaries and collection of old crossword clues. Before using them, make sure that you can use them for commercial purposes. For example, this website, you can search for a clue and get the answers for that and use it in your crosswords. If you search a keyword here, it will list all the similar clues and answers that contain your search keyword. There are lots of similar websites on the internet that you can use. Just make sure to check the license before using them. Now that we know how we can find the clues and answers, let's jump on the first tool that you can create crosswords. You can find a link to this website down in the description. First, you need to click on this button to create a new puzzle. After that, set the puzzle name here. Just change it to what you want. For example, I will change it to number 1 here. Okay. By these two buttons, you can load the puzzle and export it in PDF and other formats. I will show you how they work in a couple of minutes. Now that we have a clean puzzle, we need to first create a pattern. You can do it simply by clicking on this button. If you didn't like the pattern, continue clicking on this button to find what you want. I think this one is good. Okay. If you click on this button, it will erase everything that you entered in the puzzle. So it won't change the puzzle name and the pattern, and it will just remove the clues and answers. Okay, if you click on this option, you can load the dictionary of clue and answers, and with this button, you can autofill your puzzle. For now, we will add the clue and answers manually. Also, if you want to remove a black cell from crossword, you can do it by pressing backspace on your keyboard. And if you want to add a black square, you just need to first click the cell and enter dot. Now let's fill the puzzle with some sample clue and answers. For that, just click on the cell you want to start. It will highlight it in blue for you. Make sure the direction is correct. If you want to change the direction, press enter or just double click on that cell. For example, I will add the test vertically and tour horizontally here. Just remember, the PDF that you will download won't have the answers, it's just the clues. For adding the clues, when the cell is selected, from the right side, you can change the clue for each answer from blank clue to what you want. Now you just need to continue it to fill the whole puzzle. For downloading your puzzle from the export menu, select the printable puzzle. That's it, you just create your first puzzle crosswords. As you can see, all the clues are showing here. Since I just entered 2 of them, the other cells are blank. You need to complete all of them before downloading your puzzle. Sometimes you are at the middle of your puzzle and you want to continue the rest of it later. For that, you can save your puzzle easily. just from the export menu, click on the first option. It will download it for you. Now that you have the file of the puzzle, you can load it with the open puzzle. Just select the puzzle file from here, and you can continue filling your puzzle. The second way that you can create a crossword is by Crossword Labs website. You can find a link to this website down in the description. First, set the title of your crossword and then enter your clue and answers in this box. Make sure to separate your clue and answers and separate them by a space. At the end, press the Save and Finish button. It will open a new tab for you. From the new tab, just click on the print. Okay, it will open a new tab for you. Just click on copy here. Now just open the Word and paste what you copied in the Word. As you can see, it will bring the crossword to your Word document. Now you can customize it easily. The third option that you can create a crossword is by PowerPoint or any tool that you have the table option. Open the PowerPoint and set the dimension to 8.5 by 11. Now from the Insert menu, click on the Insert table. Set the number of columns and rows to what you want. For example, I will set it to 15 by 15. Now remove the background color. For example, I will enter test here and let's add a blank square at the end of it. Now you need to add a text box under this table and enter your answers on them. We just reviewed 3 ways that you can create a crossword. But if you don't have time or you can't find clue and answers from the internet, you can use Creative Fabrica or other similar tools. For example, just open the Creative Fabrica and search for crosswords. You can find the link to this website down in the description. As you can see, you can find lots of results for crosswords in Creative Fabrica. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Until the next video, bye.